Assalamu alaikum everyone. Obviously, this is our first session relating to O levels accounting. इससे पहले हमारे AS और A2 के sessions हुए. O levels की next class जो है that is going to be on Saturday or Sunday, right guys? Probably on Saturday. Saturday या Sunday में से हमारी next class होगी. We will be doing non-profit organization. और North और Gulshan दोनों के अंदर O levels का हम नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट कवर अप कर चुके हैं कि हाउ टू प्रिपेयर द सब्सक्रिप्शन अकाउंट. Aisha, please, if you can listen to me, if you all can listen to me before we proceed ahead, if you can all listen to me, just raise your hands. Raise your hands in the application. You have an option. Just raise the hands if you can listen to me carefully. If you can listen to me clearly, just raise your hands. Or you can use the thumbs up as well. अगर आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं तो. Right? If there is any problem, just use this thing. Probably आपके अपने end पर कोई problem हो सकता है. Right? या फिर आप इसको chat में mention कर सकते हैं. If you can listen to me, just raise the hand. Just raise the hand if you can listen to me. Guys, waiting for the response. ये उमर अकमल को remove करें, पता नहीं कौन है ये. I can listen, right? Anas Mirza can listen. Aisha, आप please kindly अपनी functions को देख लें, अपनी settings को check कर लें. I guess बाकी लोगों को आवाज clear है. ठीक है, we'll start with non-profit organization, guys. And मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि हम कौन सा question solve करने वाले हैं. आप लोग अपने past papers में से kindly उस question को कॉल लीजिएगा. We'll start with non-profit organization. So let's start with the work, guys. Question number 3. All right, guys, we are starting with May-June 2016, paper 22, जो कि हमारा अपना variant है, May-June 2016, and this is going to be question number 3. May-June 2016, paper 22, question number 3. This is our own variant. अगर आपके पास नहीं है question, it's better कि आपके पास अपनी book के ऊपर question होना चाहिए so that you can solve. If you are unable to find a question, make sure कि आप जो है आप लोग सिर्फ वर्किंग्स को भी देख सकते हैं. एंड लेटर ऑन जो भी हमारा काम होगा वो सारी वीडियो इसकी मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा यूट्यूब चैनल के ऊपर. हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब कर लें एंड यू कैन व्यू द वर्क फ्रॉम द यूट्यूब चैनल एज वेल, राइट? So let's start with the work. This is May-June 2016, paper 22, question number 3. Let's start with the work, guys. May June 16 paper 22 is a different question.
15.
May June 2015, guys. It's May June 2015. It's May June 2015. All right, kids. I repeat, May, June 2015. It's May, June 2015, paper 22. It's not 16. It's May, June 2015. June 2015, paper 22, question number 3. May, June 2015, paper 22, question number 3. Let's start with the work, guys. The following information is available for Axton Chess Club. Receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2015. Underline करें 31st March 2015 को. 31st March 2015 का मतलब फाइनेंशियल ईयर कमेंस हुआ था 1st April 2014 को. 1st April 2014 and we are the financial year end is 31st March 2015. 1st April 2014 से लेकर 31st March 2015 तक we are given with receipt and payment account. So what is receipt and payment account? It is similar to bank and cash account. The receipt and payment account is similar to bank and cash account. So receipt and payment account में debit side पर we are given with balance brought down. Balance brought down हमारा bank and cash का balance represent कर रहा है. Debit side पर this is a bank account, cash account, right? It's a bank and cash account, which means that debit side पे we have all the receipts. Debit side पे we have listed down all the receipts, and credit side पे we have all the payments. Debit side पर we have receipts and credit side पर we have payments. Balance brought down was 230. We have received subscription of 3260. Competition organize करवाया क्लब ने, वहां से भी हमने income generate की है, that is 1580. The received will be 350 and the balance carried down is appearing on the debit side. लेकिन जब balance carried down debit पर appear हो रहा है तो it's not a debit balance, it means it's a credit balance. ये कौन सा balance है guys? This is a credit balance. क्योंकि next year इसका brought down कहां पर आएगा? The brought down will appear on the credit side. That means ये negative balance है. Negative balance का मतलब it's an overdraft balance. बैंक का ending date पर कौन सा balance है? Opening date पर it was a positive balance, but ending date पर it's a negative balance. It's an overdraft balance. क्लब के क्लब रूम का हमने रेंट पे किया है, which is 2000. Treasurer is the person. Treasurer means treasurer का मतलब होता है क्लब का मुंशी, क्लब का अकाउंटेंट. उसको हमने सैलरी पे की है, which is 250. Fixtures and equipment purchase किया है. Fixtures and equipment is a non-current asset. हमने ये non-current assets purchase किए हैं, and the amount of these non-current assets are 1100. Competition थी हमारी, income थी. Competition entry was 1850, right? 1580 was our competition entry, and इसके against हमने competition prices भी pay किए हैं. कितने prices pay किए हैं? 750 के competition prices भी हमने pay किए हैं. So we can calculate the profit from competition. इसके अलावा traveling expenses हैं, and we also have other operating expenses. Since the credit side was higher than the debit side, तो ending balance हमारा overdraft में है, जो कि balance sheet में हम current liabilities में mention करेंगे. Next, Then we are given with some of the opening and closing balances. First April 2014 का मतलब starting of the financial year, that means it's our opening balance. And 31st March 2015 का मतलब this is our closing balance. We are given with subscription in advance and subscription in arrears के balances. Subscription in advance का opening balance नहीं था, लेकिन ending balance है. Subscription in advance liability होती है guys. तो subscription in advance का brought down balance हम credit side पर show करते हैं. But since there was no subscription in advance का opening balance, तो यहाँ पर dash आ जाएगा. Advance का अगर brought down हमारा credit पर है, तो closing balance will be on the opposite side. 31st March को जब हमारा financial year end हुआ, तो balance carried down, advance subscription का closing balance is given to us, which is 450. Then comes subscription in arrears. Subscription in arrears. Subscription in arrears का अगर brought down balance देखें, since subscription in arrears is our asset, तो arrears का brought down balance will appear on the debit side, which is 530. And subscription in arrears का closing balance will be on the opposite side. Arrears का ending balance, closing balance is 750. Now, if we go and see the bank account, bank account may we are given with the brought down balances, guys. Subscription received का amount दिया हुआ है. What is our subscription received? Balance brought down के बाद we are given with subscription which is received. Bank account में receipt and payment account में जो subscription दी हुई होती है, it means the subscription received during the year. और जब हम during the year subscription received करते हैं, तो entry बनती है bank account debit and उसके against subscription account को credit कर देते हैं. These are the receipts. ये receipts हैं जो during the year हमें receive हुई है. You can write the bank as well. Receipts. And what is the total amount of receipts? The receipts का amount is 3260. Accounting entry हमने क्या बनाई? हमने अपने बैंक अकाउंट को डेबिट किया और उसके अगेंस्ट सब्सक्रिप्शन अकाउंट को क्या कर दिया? क्रेडिट कर दिया. राइट गाइस? ना डबल एंट्री आपको फॉलो करनी है, बिकॉज क्लब अकाउंट्स में अकाउंटिंग रिकॉर्ड्स आर नॉट मेंटेन ऑन अ प्रॉपर डबल एंट्री सिस्टम. तो आपको अपनी डबल एंट्री कंप्लीट करनी है. वी डेबिटेड द बैंक अकाउंट एंड उसके अगेंस्ट हमने सब्सक्रिप्शन अकाउंट को क्या कर दिया? क्रेडिट कर दिया. नेक्स्ट, उसके बाद हमें फिक्सर्स वगैरह दिया हुआ है, बट नीचे देखेंगे एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन पॉइंट नंबर 2 को देखना है. लिखा हुआ है $280 ऑफ सब्सक्रिप्शन इन एरियर्स ऑन 1st April 2014 was subsequently received. क्या मतलब हुआ कि स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल ईयर में अगर सब्सक्रिप्शन इन एरियर्स का हम अमाउंट देखें, तो व्हाट वाज सब्सक्रिप्शन इन एरियर्स का ओपनिंग बैलेंस? सर, सब्सक्रिप्शन इन एरियर्स का ओपनिंग बैलेंस वाज 530. उसमें से एग्जामिनर कह रहा है कि हमने 530 में से कितना अमाउंट रिसीव किया है? आउट ऑफ 530 वी हैव ओनली रिसीव्ड 280, और जो 280 रिसीव किया है वो हमारी रिसीट्स में ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड है. राइट, दैट इज इंक्लूडेड इन द रिसीट्स. तो सर, अगर 530 में से 280 रिसीव कर लिया, तो कितना अमाउंट हमने रिसीव नहीं किया? हाउ मच अमाउंट वी हैव नॉट येट रिसीव्ड? 530 minus 280. Sir, 250 का amount is not yet received. What is 250? 250 is not yet received. ये 250 लास्ट ईयर की सब्सक्रिप्शन थी जो अभी तक हमने रिसीव नहीं की है. 530 was the opening subscription in arrears balance, जिसमें से सर हमने कितना अमाउंट रिसीव कर लिया? 280 का अमाउंट रिसीव कर लिया. एंड व्हाट इज नॉट येट रिसीव्ड? नॉट येट रिसीव इज 250. तो लास्ट ईयर की सब्सक्रिप्शन अभी तक हमने 250 रिसीव नहीं की. एंड एज पर द क्लब पॉलिसी, एनी सब्सक्रिप्शन व्हिच इज नॉट रिसीव्ड विद इन द 12 months is considered to be what? Irrecoverable. That means bad debt. तो bad debt की एंट्री बनेगी bad debts debit and subscription account credit. बैड डेट एक्सपेंस है, एक्सपेंस को डेबिट करेंगे और इसके अगेंस्ट सब्सक्रिप्शन अकाउंट क्रेडिट हो जाएगा। और कैसे कैलकुलेट किया हमने ये 250 की वर्किंग आपको ऊपर नजर आ रही है। एरियर्स का अमाउंट कितना था 530, रिसीव कितना कर लिया 280, कितना रिसीव नहीं किया दैट्स 250 and that is to be considered as what? This is to be considered as bad debt. Now once we have all the figures, what we can do, we can calculate our income. Income कैसे calculate करेंगे? Income balancing figure से calculate होगी and it will appear on the debit side. कितना अमाउंट इनकम का है पहले हम लोग क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल कर लेते हैं। सो क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल इज 3260 प्लस 3260 plus 250 plus 750, the total comes to 4260. And what about the debit side? Debit side ka total is 350 plus 450, that makes 800. So 4260 minus 800, we can now calculate the amount of subscription income, which is 3460. This is the balancing figure. If I can also put a question mark in front of income, ये हमने balancing figure से calculate किया है, that is 3460. Carry down के बाद make sure कि आप brought down balances भी mention कर रहे हैं कि 1st April next year के, because account बनाने की proper requirement है, तो you have to prepare a proper account. Arrears, brought down arrears का balance आ गया 750 and brought down advance का balance भी आ गया, which is 450. Clear, guys? You can have a look at the subscription account. I'm giving you 30 seconds. 30 seconds हैं आप लोगों के पास. If you have any confusion, any problem relating to this particular account, you can raise your hands. All right, kids, if you have any problem relating to subscription account, so income 3280 here. It's 530. We'll see the calculations. बेटा लैग आ रहा है, आपका इंटरनेट स्लो होगा, हमारा इंटरनेट सही है, लैग आ रहा है तो आप उसको अपने इंटरनेट से चेक करें. Let's see. Let's see the calculation. If there is something, if there is a calculation error, सर सब्सक्रिप्शन का अगर हम फिगर्स चेक करें तो हमारे पास एरियर्स का ओपनिंग बैलेंस वाज 530 एंड एरियर्स का क्लोजिंग बैलेंस इज 750. उसके बाद हमारे पास एडवांस का ओपनिंग बैलेंस नहीं है एंड द क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ एडवांस इज 450. So let's work out how much we use. This is 880. The total of the debit side is 880. It's a calculation error. So 420 minus 880. This is 8080. 4260 minus 880. It's not 880. 530. Minus guys, confusion on related calculation. If you have any problem, any confusion, please lag आपके this thing. मेरे पास internet का I cannot do this thing. If you have anything like this, please. All right. Right. All right, next. सर उसके बाद हमें फिक्सर्स एंड इक्विपमेंट एट वैल्यूएशन दिया हुआ है. वैल्यूएशन का मतलब वी आर गिवन विद नेट बुक वैल्यू. नेट बुक वैल्यू, वैल्यूएशन का मतलब होता है नेट बुक वैल्यू. हमें ओपनिंग नेट बुक वैल्यू गिवन है, क्लोजिंग नेट बुक वैल्यू गिवन है, एंड वी हैव आल्सो परचेज अ न्यू इक्विपमेंट ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. तो हम डिप्रिसिएशन की वर्किंग कर सकते हैं. तो लेट्स डू अ डिप्रिसिएशन वर्किंग. या sir, fixed and what is the sign 400 is new equipment and conditions equipment अगर देखें आप equipment 100 credit equipment को कर दिया. Disposals होती है साइट पे रिकॉर्ड कर, but there are no disposal. Now difference if we can calculate the amount of हम depreciation का amount calculate कर सकते हैं. 4000 plus 1100, the total is 5100. The total is 5100 minus 4400. So that means the difference comes to 700. 700 is the amount of depreciation. So 700 is the depreciation. Next. Rent or further add, right? तो हमारे I'm not sure why you are having this problem of not getting the question, but if you think you can clearly listen to me, just raise your hands. Raise your hands if you can clearly listen to me. If you can hear me, just raise your hands. अब तो नहीं है कोई issue. Hello, everyone. We were having some of the issues with the internet, but we have sorted out the problems. Let's see, we can now smoothly start our class. The problems with the internet have been sorted out. Let's start with the work, guys. Let's move on to the work. Um, I guess now you all can listen to me clearly. Working related questions. If you have any working related question, please feel free to ask. Yes, YouTube पे वीडियो अवेलेबल है. ये वाली वीडियो भी आपकी पहुंच जाएगी YouTube पे, आप उसको देख सकते हैं. All right, take care, guys. चलें. Let's start with the work. All right, we have now worked out for operating expenses. We have done the working relating to operating expenses. Right, now moving ahead. Accumulated fund. Opening accumulated fund were given to us, and the closing accumulated fund will be calculated through statement of financial position. We don't require this thing. So let's start with the work. Let's start with the next requirement. What is the next requirement? The next requirement is income and expenditure account. So let's start with income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account mein, first of all, we will be listing down all our income. And what is our income? The income include number one, subscription. So number one, subscription. We have subscription, we company, and we have donations. Donations. Revenue receipt, and nothing is mentioned. It comes club donation is revenue receipt. Yes. Sir, subscription की working हमने की हुई है. Subscription account से जाकर figure पे करना, that 80. Subscription to entry income was worth 750. 80 minus 750, that makes 30. And then we have donations. Donations are 350. So now we can calculate our total income. Our total income is 4460. Less expenditures. Competition prices भी हमने income में adjust कर लिया. आप चाहो तो उसको separately expenses में भी दिखा सकते हैं. Expenditures में first of all we have rent. Rent of club room. Rent हमने अभी calculate किया. Rent is rent 1880. Clubhouse या club room rent. Club room 1880. Next is treasurer salary. कोई एडजस्टमेंट नहीं है ट्रेजरर सैलरी के अंदर. It's 250. ट्रेजरर सैलरी के बाद इक्विपमेंट हमने परचेज किया. That is a capital expense, not our expense. But हम depreciation of fixtures and equipment यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. That was ऊपर वर्कआउट किया हुआ हमने depreciation of equipment and fixtures को. And sir, what is the amount of depreciation? The depreciation was 700, right? Sir, depreciation we have And then we have expenses 1350. अदर ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस 1350 नहीं है, उसको एडजस्ट किया था सर, ऊपर अकाउंट बनाया हुआ है अदर ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस का, एंड दैट इज 780. So now we can calculate the total expenditures. What is our expenditure? 880 plus 250 plus 700 plus 1900 plus 1180. The total is 5910. The total expenditures are 5910. Sir, income is less than the expenses, so there is a deficit of 1450. How much is the deficit? The deficit is 1450. After this, now we will be moving towards statement of financial position. So statement of financial position में asset section उसी तरीके से बनेगा जिस तरह से हमारे पास किसी भी sole trader, partnership, manufacturing entity का होता है. It's just that we have to show the value of non-current assets directly at net book value. So we'll start with assets. The first heading is assets. Assets के अंदर first of all we have non-current assets. And so non-current assets के अंदर we have and ending values use करनी है statement of financial position के लिए, and fixtures and equipment की ending value use करेंगे. Sir, ending value is already after depreciation, so we don't need to further deduct depreciation. And what is the closing value of fixtures and equipment? Fixtures and equipment का जो ending balance है, that is 4,400. Next, current assets. Current assets के अंदर there is no inventory, but we have subscription in arrears. And subscription in arrears ka ending balance is 750. Then we have prepaid rent. Prepaid rent is 50. Sir, bank overdraft में वो नहीं आएगा यहाँ current assets में, तो that means we are just having two current assets. 750 plus 50 is 800. 800 plus 4,400, total assets are 5,200. Then we have equity and liabilities. Equity and liabilities may we have equity section. Equity may we have accumulated fund at start. We have accumulated fund at start, or accumulated fund at start हमें दिया हुआ है because the capital of the club is called accumulated fund. That is 4,500. So accumulated fund at start is 4,500. Surplus होता है तो हम इसमें ऐड करते हैं, but there is deficit तो less करेंगे, less deficit. And deficit हमने income and expenditure account से calculate किया हुआ है. The amount of deficit is 1450. 4,500 minus 1,450, that is 3,050. This is accumulated fund at end. और ऊपर देखो आपके पास एक क्वेश्चन मार्क भी लगा हुआ था, accumulated fund at end का क्वेश्चन मार्क, वो कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत नहीं थी because we could have calculated the figure from statement of financial position. It's 3,050. Next. Now moving on towards current liabilities. There are no non-current liabilities, but there are current liabilities. And what do we have in current liabilities? Sir, subscription in advance is our current liability. Subscription in advance का closing balance दिया हुआ है, which is 450. इसके अलावा we have bank overdraft, accrued operating expenses भी हैं, which are $20. And then we have bank overdraft, which is 1930. If we total our current liabilities, current liability ka total is 450 plus 20 plus 1930. The total is 2000. Sir, 450 subscription in advance hai. Subscription in arrears का balance 750 हमने current assets में mention किया हुआ है. Prepaid rent भी है. Sir, expenses के अंदर we have not treated bad debts. Expenses में bad debt भी charge करना था sir. And what is the amount of bad debt? Bad debt is 250. So if we now total our expenses, including bad debts, 1880 plus 250 plus 700 plus 1900 plus 1180 plus 250, the total is 6160. 4460 minus 6160, deficit is 1700. Deficit is 1700. Now moving on towards statement of financial position. Statement of financial position में capital accumulated funded start is 4,500 minus 1,700, that is 2,800. Current liabilities are 450 plus 1930 plus 20. The total sum of current liabilities is 2,400. 2,800 plus 2,400. The total comes to 5,800. Audio on है. All right, guys. I guess there might be a problem with the internet connection or the lagging, जिसकी वजह से आपको आवाज नहीं आ रही, but you will be getting all these solutions and you can also access the video on the YouTube. We will be having our next session on Saturday. The timings will be posted to you. But before that, I am also sending some of the questions. Please try to solve all those questions. You have the complete list. Please make sure that you are solving the questions of non-profit organization. See you later in the next class. Take care, guys.